Hello learners, you're welcome to class once again. Today we are learning how to make the nets of some 3D shapes. Remember I mentioned in the previous class that the net of a 3D shape is how the 3D shape looks when it's opened up. When it's flattened, we have the net of that shape. I like to begin my net of any 3D shape by drawing my square grids. I usually like drawing a vertical lines across the paper, and then I'll draw my horizontal lines so that I can have square grids. I use a blue marker or a black marker, any color obviously, to make the grids bold so you know what you're working with. The net of a cube actually 11 in number, but we're just going to be doing only 3. The first one that looks like a T, this one that looks like a stair, and then the cross. We're going to be making these 3 in this video. So first of all, I'm going to make the net of a cube, the one that looks like a T. So I'm going to just use my marker to number all the parts I'm going to secure. All the parts I've written out the numbers will be safe, while the ones without numbers, I'm going to cut them out carefully with the scissors. So I started with the nets that looks like a T. I used cutter numbered the nets that looks like stairs, and now this is the net that looks like cross. But remember, the net of a cube has 6 faces, so I'm going to be cutting out the 6 faces of each. Now that's the first one, that's the second one, and this is the one that looks like the stairs. So these are the cube. Now we're going to fold them. So after cutting it out, you're going to fold it along the edges. As you can see, I have folded them already. Fold them carefully along the edges, and then you can see it's already formed the shape of a cube. All you need to do here is just use a sellotape to secure the edges. You can see they all turned out to be cubes, whether you have it as a cross or the other one that's a step, or the other one that's like a T. The second net, we are working on the net of a cuboid, 6 faces also, 4 rectangles and 2 cubes. So after measuring and cutting it out to fold it like this, we have a cuboid. We'll have a cuboid. The next one, the net of a square base pyramid. Cut it out and we have a square base pyramid. The next one, the net of a triangular prism. Cut it out after drawing, and then you fold it. Alright, so these are the nets of some 3D shapes. All that is left for us to do is to secure with a sellotape. I'll also find time to do a video of a 3D net that has circles, talking about the cone and the cylinder. Alright learners, bye for now and see you in the next video. Bye.